Yeah! What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and for today's video we'll be showing off some new cases that were sponsored by Click. We have cases for the iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, 10s Max, and 10R. These cases were provided by Click.com. I'm gonna leave a link down below for their website, just check them out down below. Stay tuned to the end of the video and see how you can win a free case. So all these new iPhones are coming out. We have the new iPhone 10s, iPhone 10s Max, and the new iPhone 10R. But are you ready for any accidental damage? And the last thing that you want to happen to your new iPhone is a cracked screen or a scratched surface. That's why you want to make sure you stay protected. You don't ride a motorcycle without a helmet. Click is offering 4 different types of cases. They have a slim marble designed one with gold flakes, a wallet case that offers 360 protection. They have a clear case with shock absorbent corners to show off the phone's beauty. And they have a case with max protection and a belt clip. So for our first design, we have a slim case, marble design with built-in gold flakes. You can actually see the gold flakes reflect different lighting in different angles. This is pretty cool. It's a pretty slim case. It still shows the sides so you can show the beauty of the phone that Apple worked really hard to show off. It's available in 5 colors. Here we have the lavender marble with gold flakes, ocean tie-dye marble with gold flakes, rose tie-dye marble with gold flakes, and finally we have the ruby red marble with gold flakes. The next case we have here is a clear case. It's a very slim and durable case. It has shock absorbing corners. As you can see, the corners are thicker than the sides. It's a nice shield for your device. A rubber material. It's a pretty thick, strong rubber. What's nice about this is it slides easily in your pocket. And because it's a clear case, let the transparency show off your phone's elegance. Onto the wallet case. This wallet case comes with 360 protection all around your phone. What's nice about this case is that it's just really convenient. You can carry cards right here. Every slot carries about 2 cards, and you have a really big slot right here. Also, this case has a magnetic latch, so you can just cover your screen whenever and it will not come off. As you can see, I'm shaking it and it's not coming off. Nice protection for your screen. Also, you can use this case to watch movies. What's nice about this case is that you can actually open the flap all the way and it's gonna expose half of the phone, and you can use that to watch movies. It could be like a movie stand where you can watch movies. Just put your device here and just put it on the table. Going on YouTube and checking out more videos of JGTechBlog. One more thing I'd like to mention about this case is that it's actually open right here. So if you're on the phone and the flap is bugging you, you can actually just close the phone and just continue your conversation. Listen through here and talk through here. Available in 3 colors. Black, rose gold, and gold. This case is a 3-piece case. It has a belt clip right here. It has a hard plastic shell right here, and then an interior rubber. What I like about the belt clip is that you don't have to have it on as part of the case. It's removable. It can be used whenever you want. It also has a stand where if you want to watch movies, you can just place it like this. Okay, so we take out the clip. Here we have the case. It has a hard plastic shell in the back. Also has another movie stand. You would just have to open it and then move this back all the way, and now you have another nightstand. Also, to put your phone in, you would have to take this out, do the rubber part first, put your phone in here, then you would lock it from the front and then attach the back. And this is available in 3 colors. They have all black, rose gold, and blue. Just keep in mind that Click does not just offer these cases. There will be more cases coming in soon, so check them out down below. Yeah!
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.